Your food, author and lifestyle expert Ava is here with her daughter Zola, and they are going to show us so many cool. Look at the spread that we have right now for April Fool's Day. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
What are we making today? Should we make a pizza? So at home, we love food pranks, but the cute kind, not the mean ones.
Not the mean kind of pranks.
No, especially with the kids around. So these are all last minute things you can do for tonight for dinner.
Okay.
Wanna get started?
Let's do it. Are you going to help us?
Over here, over here we have this gorgeous pizza, right? Does it look like a pizza?
Yeah.
I haven't cut the slices, but it's actually a pancake. So here, I'm going to bring Zoya close so she can demo us how to do it. You're going to make a pancake, right, in a large skillet. And then you're going to use some of this strawberry jam. Could you please help me put some of the strawberry jam on it? Perfect.
Probably tastes good.
Yes, that's your tomato sauce, strawberry jam. While she's doing that, could you please go ahead and add some pepperoni, which is, the pepperonis are red pancakes, right? And I just use a cookie cutter or anything that you can use a circle to cut out this pepperoni shape.
Okay, so you can just do that with like food coloring on a normal pancake, a crepe kind of thing?
Exactly.
Okay, cool.
Super easy, right, so far? And what I like to also do is add some white chocolate, shredded white chocolate to serve as your cheese. Could you please go ahead and help us here?
Ready?
Yes. Wow. I love it. So you can add as much as you want or as little as you want.
You want to help?
Another trick is to glaze the little pancake bites because that will give them a glistening pepperoni feel.
She goes, I'm going to put some right on top of the pepperonis. Good for you.
She loves the cheese.
You are too adorable. This is such a great idea.
Right?
And then for everybody, you cut it up and you're like, here's your slice of pizza.
Here you go.
It's actually a pancake.
Exactly.
Oh, thank you.
It actually tastes great.
Should I taste it? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm down.
Pancake
Let's
for
do
dinner
it.
tonight, maybe.
Oh my gosh.
It's good, right?
It's a pancake.
It's a little cruisy.
That's great. It's a pancake.
Yeah, super
That
easy.
is so cute. We have so many other things, right?
Yeah.
As well. We've got, what do we got here?
Let's move on to the next one
You
right
are too
here.
cute. I'm obsessed with you.
What is this one, Zoya?
What is that one?
Pasta. Yes,
Pasta.
she said pasta. So this one is super easy as well. You're going to start with a base of cupcakes. Zoya, could you please place some cupcakes on our plate right here? I'm adding some buttercream on the plate.
Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. Add your mini cupcakes, muffins, anything on the plate. And then with some buttercream in a piping bag, you want to just cut a very small incision at the bottom.
Yeah, so it makes it look like noodles.
Yes.
Exactly. Look at her do it. And it's great too because you can do it, but you can also do it with your kids as well. Squeeze really hard at the bottom.
Yes.
There you go.
So that is such a great activity. It will keep her busy for at least 30 minutes to get all the noodles right.
That's all you're shooting for as a mother, right?
And then to make the meatballs, we're using chocolate truffles.
Oh my gosh, perfect.
Which is always delicious. I'm just adding the chocolate truffles and some strawberry jam to make it look like meatballs, as you can see right here. Perfect.
And
then
so funny.
To finish it, could you please help me animate?
I would love to with some Parmesan cheese on top.
Just a little bit. Or maybe a lot.
There we go. Look. La 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 la.
Yes, and this is how it's going to turn out once you add all the strawberry and all the strawberry jam at the top as well to, make it look like.
That is so funny.
Yeah.
That's such a good idea. And of course, again, just like food coloring in icing, right?
Right? We use some buttercream, some muffins or cupcakes, shredded white chocolate, and some strawberry jam.
Oh my gosh, that's great. Okay, we've got more too. You have so much for us. This is so great.
These are super easy. So as you can tell, we're using the same ingredients over and over again because look, maybe you don't have time to go to the grocery store. Exactly, absolutely. So over here, this is a cute, fun one. We got some, what is this, Zoya?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets, her favorite, and even some ketchup. Is it ketchup? Yeah, it's actually some strawberry jam. So over here, we're super easy. I'm going to give you one here. And I'll do this one with Zoya. Take a strawberry, put it into a stick.
There we go.
Perfect. And then we have some white chocolate and graham crackers. It's that easy. 3 ingredients.
Oh my gosh, it is. Look.
Yes,
ready?
Good job. And I'll dip it into the graham crackers.
Look at
Love it. So yeah, we want to try it as well. Here we go.
Boom, look at that.
Gorgeous. And this is a chicken nuggets. And you can put it in the fridge to just harden a little bit. You can eat
Go
one
ahead.
too.
And you can eat along the way. Of
Look
course
at
you
that.
can.
You did such a great job. And we
You
have
are so
one
cute.
more that is super fun.
Okay, let's do it real quick. Perfect.
All right, so this is a taco bowl. Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Are we doing ice cream? So here, you can use some ice cream, or if you have some yogurt, you want to be a little healthier, you
Okay,
can make
should I
a
just put it right in there?
Yes, go ahead. Add some yogurt right in there. Could you please help us, Zoya? Add some yogurt in there.
She goes, no, I'm eating a strawberry.
Yes, I'm having a great time. This is her breakfast.
There we go.
Okay, so next for the meat, we're adding some chocolate cereal.
Okay, perfect.
So you can really
and that's
add
like
that.
the chocolate meat.
Yes.
That's so
Doesn't it look
cute.
like actual meat?
It does.
Kind of.
There you go.
So far. And then for the tomatoes, we're doing diced strawberries.
Okay.
For your lettuce, you can do some shredded coconut that you're dyeing in green. Or, I like crunch, so I use cucumber peels.
This is smart too. It's the little taco chip.
Yeah, it's like popcorners, right?
Oh my gosh, this is great. This is such a fantastic idea. Here, do you want to put some corn on top for me?
Is this corn or is it sprinkles?
She goes, no, I'm
These are
enjoying my chicken nugget.
sprinkles. It's so
Thank
yummy.
you so much. These are such good ideas. All of your information, of course, on the screen there for you. But thank you. Where can people find you?
Instagram, YouTube. And, I'm going to show everything online as well if you want to get the details and step-by-step tutorials.
These
to
are
make this.
seriously such good ideas, and you are the best helper ever.
And we're going to make amazing memories tonight for dinner.
Come on, give me a high five. Come on.
High five.
Come on.
Grab it!
Look, ready?
She said you didn't feed me enough.